In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open YouTube Studio on PC. Let's get started right from your computer desktop. First, open any web browser you're comfortable with. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another modern browser. Once your browser is open, move your mouse to the address bar at the very top of the window. This is where you normally see website links and type in web addresses. Click in the address bar to make sure it's active, then carefully type in youtube.studio.com. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters and that everything is spelled correctly. When you're done typing the address, press the enter key on your keyboard. Your browser will now load the YouTube Studio page. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a Google sign-in screen. Here, you need to log in using the Google account that is linked to your YouTube channel. This is usually the same email you use when you upload videos or comment on YouTube. In the first field, type your Google email address or the phone number associated with your Google account. Take a moment to double check that you've entered it correctly, especially if you have multiple accounts. When you're sure it's right, click the next button. The page will reload and you'll be asked to enter your password. In the password field, type your Google account password carefully. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as any numbers or symbols you use. If you're on a shared computer, avoid saving your password in the browser to keep your account secure. Once your password is entered and you've checked for any typos, click Next again. After a brief moment, your browser will load the YouTube Studio dashboard. This is your creator control center where you can manage your videos, check your analytics, read comments, and customize your channel. If you see the dashboard with your channel details, that means you've successfully logged into your YouTube Studio account on your PC. From now on, you can return to YouTube Studio by opening your browser, going to the same web address, and if you're still signed in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard without needing to log in again.